The promise. Long ago, there was a king. He was known all over for his kind heart. One day, he was taking a round of his kingdom. While on his round, he came upon a couple. The couple was very sad. The king asked the couple, "Why are you so sad?" The couple told him, "We are sad because we do not have any child." The king felt very sad for the couple. He went to his palace, took his son, and gave him to the couple. The couple was very happy to have the child. He promised the couple that he would never ask for his child. After some time, the king started missing his child. He grew sad. His minister saw this and organized a sword show for him. In the show, a man swallowed swords. The king asked his minister, "Is there anything more difficult than swallowing swords?" The minister replied, "Keeping a promise without regretting it is far more difficult." The king understood what the minister meant. The honest man. Once there was a sacred tree. A Holy Spirit resided in that tree. Many people came to pray to the Spirit and offered precious gifts to it. One day, a poor man brought a loaf of bread to offer to the Spirit. But he did not offer it as he felt the Spirit would not accept such a lowly gift. He turned to go back, but as he did so, the Spirit appeared before the man. It said, "Where are you going? Give me the bread. I am hungry." The man was tongue-tied and gave it the bread. The Spirit ate the bread. Then it told the man, "A pot of gold is buried here. Dig it and take it." But the poor man did no such thing. He was very honest and told the king about it. The king was pleased with the poor man's honesty and made him his royal treasurer. As you sow, so shall you reap. Once there was a man who had a beautiful wife. He loved his wife very much. But the wife was very cruel. She ill-treated her in-laws who were blind. One day, she said to her husband, "Leave your parents in the forest. I cannot take care of them." At first, the man refused, but due to constant nagging of his wife, he agreed. So one day, he took his old blind parents into the forest. As he was leaving them there, his parents begged, "Please do not leave us here, as we are blind." But the man did not listen and went away. On the way, he fell into a deep pit. He hurt his legs. A sage who was passing by took him out of the pit. But the damage had been done. The man became a cripple. He realized that since he had mistreated his parents, he had been punished. He went back and sought his parents' forgiveness. The greedy salesman. Once, a salesman sold pots and pans and trinkets. A girl wanted to buy a bracelet from him, but she had no money. She asked her grandmother, "Can we give our dirty old plate in exchange for the bracelet?" The grandmother agreed. The salesman examined the plate and realized that it was of gold. But he didn't tell them so. Instead, he said, "This plate has no value." He went away. In fact, he wanted to take the plate free of cost at a later time. Meanwhile, another salesman came there. Again, the girl wanted a bracelet. The grandmother showed the plate to the salesman. The salesman said to the grandmother, "This plate is of gold." The grandmother was shocked. The salesman took the gold plate and in exchange gave away all his pots, pans, and trinkets. After some time, the greedy salesman returned. He asked for the plate. The grandmother was very angry and called him a liar. The greedy salesman ran away.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.